Well, there it is, just sitting right there, waiting to go on its first ride ever. Last week, we showed you the outside of the new Sunrail cab. And new tonight, we're going to take you on a tour inside. It is a ride Sunrail calls safe, comfortable, and user-friendly.
Yeah, Eric Sandoval takes us all aboard the cab to show us what's in store.
Crews are working hard to get this Sunrail station in Sanford ready for the first trains to roll in sometime next spring. And up till now, we didn't know what kind of ride would be rolling into this station. Now we know.
This is fantastic. I can't wait to ride this for real.
That's Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer leading his fellow members of the Central Florida Commuter Rail Commission on their first look inside the new Sunrail cab car, the only one delivered so far. What they saw, air-conditioned double-decker seating with storage for bikers underneath. Those bare bones come with some high-tech perks, like Wi-Fi and power for your computers.
How comfortable it is, the internet access, the AC plugs here so you can charge your iPhone back up as you ride along.
Commuters will fill these seats in 14 of these cars starting next spring when the first train leaves DeBary and travels down to Sand Lake Road. When the entire project is done, 20 cars will take you from DeLand down to Point Siena, which could be an economic game changer for Osceola County.
How soon can we get it going and how soon can we get it down to Kissimmee?
The answer to that question is sometime in 2016. Until then, commuters will test the tracks in Seminole and Orange counties and possibly lean down the drive times on congested roads.
I think they'll be sold the first time they ride it.
After years of talk, everybody's going to get a chance to see what these Sunrail cars look like firsthand in a public event in September. They'll get to see what their federal, state, and local tax dollars have been going to for all this time. Back to you.
And you can learn a lot more about Sunrail right now on clickorlando.com. From the ride to the routes, it's all online. Just head to the homepage, then click Scene on 6, and you'll find a Sunrail link under Monday's stories. You need to stop right outside Local 6.
Yeah.
And we could take it.
And I'm a big fan of mass transit.
Oh, yeah. It's so convenient, especially now, they have Wi-Fi.
And hopefully it'll alleviate some traffic on I-4.
Let's hope.
Let's get it done.
Well, in just a few hours, we'll get our first look inside Central Florida's newest hotel.
Yeah, it's called the Alfond Inn. It's in the heart of Winter Park, not far from Rollins College. We were there a couple of weeks ago as crews finished up construction. We're talking about 10,000 square feet and 112 rooms, and it is beautiful. And the best part, every cent of the profit that the hotel earns goes towards scholarships at Rollins. The Alfond Inn is named after Harold Alfond, whose foundation set up the $12.5 million to build the hotel. Now that's given back to the community. All right, moving on. Brevard County's old sheriff has a brand new job. According to our news partners at Florida Today, Jack Parker is now in charge of public safety at Eastern Florida State College. That's the new name for BCC. The college says Parker will lead a security team of 50 officers that patrol the 4 campuses. All right, this is the story I've been waiting for. This is a good one right here. A couple of divers made an historic find off the Florida coast.
More like a prehistoric find. Take a look. This is a tooth belonging to a megalodon shark. Wes and Carrie Kirkpatch found the matching halves while diving off the coast of Venice last month. Here's what that tooth would look like if it were still attached. Wow, this is a picture of a researcher standing inside the reconstructed jaws of a megalodon. In his hands are the jaws of a great white, so you can see the size difference there. Scientists estimate megalodons went extinct some 4 to 20 million years ago, but maybe we're just swimming off the coast of Florida.
Yeah, great find. And the tooth didn't have any decay on it either. It looked good.
Yeah, they don't. You know that, right?
Right.
Prehistoric teeth. Venice is known for that. They're just littered in the morning. Well, I can't say littered, but covered up a bunch. You can find all kinds of shark's teeth there. Have you been there yet? Have you been to Venice?
No.
No, I haven't.
It's in Sarasota County, south of Sarasota by about half an hour. The beaches in Sarasota are white, and the beaches in Venice are like volcanic granular looking stuff. That's why the teeth are still there, because it's different geological
cool
set.
stuff.
It's very cool.
Yeah.
It's one of our favorite places. All right, enough about your science lesson for today. Here's the tower cam looking out in downtown Orlando. Broken cloud cover. It's awesome. Some like it hot. That'd be Guard Swanson.
Yes.
He likes it this hot. The rest of us could take a rain shower from time to time. You know what today was, Guard?
It was, the heat index was about 105.
Yep. Daytime high today was 95, making it tied for Hottest day of the year.
Nice.
That was hot. Our friend Eric G sent this one into twitter.com/Tom Sorrells. Thank you, Eric. I love the broken cloud cover blocking the sun. If you see weather happening, see it. Snap it. Send it to me at iShotNews at Click Orlando, or fire it right in there through twitter.com. Come take a look at where the rain showers are for today. They're down here, up here in Marion County. Here's Ocala. Here's Kendrick Reddick a little farther to the north. We've got some popping down here, a touch of light rain around Dunellen, and a heavier shower south of Bellevue there for the moment. Much of this activity is pulling back to the south and the west, so if you're watching from Dunellen, that's about it. This heavy one you're seeing down here peeling out of Sumter County right now, that is not coming toward you. That is going the other way. Farther to the north, here's Reddick right now, a big shower building here just off 75, getting ready to pour some big rain and maybe even some heavy lightning strikes in there as well. Widen the view out. You see what I'm talking about, how the lightning is peeling this way, going toward the Gulf of Mexico. Here's future radar. These showers continue to pull away. These to the north are going this way, drifting up to the north. So shortly here, we'll wrap up our rain. Daytime high today was 95 degrees. That ties yesterday for the hottest day of the year so far. Temps have dropped off in the last couple of hours, but without rain, it stays really hot late in the day. We're holding at 92 degrees right now in Orlando. Daytona Beach still at 89, Melbourne 86. And in Ocala, even with the rain around Ocala, it hasn't hit the reporting station yet. You're at 90, 93 Sanford, Palm Coast 89, and 93 from Leesburg into Kissimmee. Satellite and radar here showing you what is going on, or the lack of anything going on. Not a whole lot of action. What you're looking at right here is the water vapor loop. I like this a lot because you can sort of see the low pinwheeling there. Not a lot of activity with it, but some heavier rain down south. For you tonight, this will all be over shortly. The rain will wrap it up. Here's 11 p.m. tonight. If you're going outside to stargaze, see some shooting stars. The Perseid meteor showers are on again tonight. Maybe you'll see a few. Tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., broken cloud cover, and then a shot of rain, a little bit better spread out tomorrow as opposed to today. On a scale of 1 to 10 tomorrow, I'm leaving tomorrow to 6. It's still going to be super hot without much rain. The overnight low tonight, 74. Here's tomorrow.
This forecast is sponsored by Del Air Conditioning.
By noon tomorrow, we're back to 90, and the daytime high right there, right where we've been the last 2 days at 95 degrees. 94 on Wednesday. Rain chances ramp up for Thursday to 40%, and by Friday, a 50% chance of showers.
When's the best time to see that meteor shower?
Should peak at about 1 a.m. Anytime after 11, go out and stare to the northeast, right? Just to the right of the North Star and south of Cassiopeia the Queen. If you want to know about it, check out my blog.
Right after the 11 o'clock news.
Yes, yeah, we'll have like a little party out back. We'll watch it.
It's too bright here.
Okay.
And it's so hot out, but you're talking ice.
Hockey. We got some hockey news for everybody. Big day today for the Orlando Soul Bears. Plus, we got some Florida State football. Yeah. I know FSU Nation is, they want Florida State coverage. I'm going to bring you some more coming up right after this.